Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I hope you're going to enjoy our channel today, and if you would subscribe, that would be wonderful, and hit the like button and the notification bell, and always remember to be kind to each other, and have a great day. Hey guys, I've got some great Valentine videos for you. It's just some simple DIY Valentine. As you can see, it's just taking some glue, putting some little candle holders on top of your little candlesticks. Pretty easy, pretty quick. They make nice little gifts. And you're just going to, like I said, take your glue gun. You can use E6000 if you want it to be permanent. I'm just using a little bit so that I can reuse some of these items. Dollar Tree has some of the cutest little candle holders. If you go to their candle holder section, you will see all different ones, like this cute little one with the silver around the bottom. And that's another little candle holder. It's got the little like amber type glass. It's got some gold on the bottom. You can put little candle holders in them. You can put little roses that I got from Dollar Tree. You can fill them with candy. There's so many different ideas that you can get from this. Of course, the little table scatterers that you could put in them. And then you could just set them anywhere in your Valentine decor, or even use them year-round. I cut off some ribbon that I got a while back. I think I probably got that a couple of years ago, and I'm just going to tie it around the bottom just to give it a little more like fanciness. And these are little crystals in this particular jar that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to pour them into this bigger glass that I got in the glassware section. And I've got some roses that I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to make a little arrangement. Taking my wire cutters, and I'm cutting off this cute little floral bush, and then I'm going to just stick it in the little glass. I got some baby's breath that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut those too. And this is just quick and simple. This would be something cute you could take like to the hospital, to a nursing home, to cheer somebody up. And maybe you can get those little tags at Dollar Tree that say Happy Valentine's Day, and you can stick one of those in there also. Quick, easy, less than 5 minutes. And there it is on my table. Isn't that pretty? And there's one. I just put some M&Ms in this one. Just something simple. And these are the little table scatters that you can put on your table. I put them in this little jar on top of the candlestick. And there's the amber one with the little candle in it. Like I said, there's so many uses for these little candlestick holders with the little candle dishes. Next, I have this cute little sign from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to redo it a little bit. So I'm pulling that bowl off, and I'm just going to glue some of the little, I guess, roses and hearts that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm going all the way around the border of the heart. Pretty simple, pretty quick. And you can use whatever you have. You don't have to use what I'm using. If you have other little items to decorate it with, that would be great too. Then I got these little signs that had already been painted, and this was Kiss. It was painted pink, so I thought it would be really cute to put it on there also. So a cute little Valentine present for somebody that you love. Maybe put it in your kids' room. You could put it in your bathroom. the kitchen. And I love the way it turned out. Just cute and simple. Again, this is on my table in my hallway. I love the way this turned out. Okay, this is another sign that I got from Dollar Tree. I try to go this past, I guess, in January before they started the $1.25, and so I sort of stocked up on a lot of items, because now I'm getting all my flowers at Walmart's because they're 97 cents, and I bought a bunch yesterday that were just absolutely beautiful. Their spring collection is gorgeous. So head on out to Walmart for your 97 cents little flower bundles. Okay, I'm just painting this red, and I have this they're little felt arrows that I got from Hobby Lobby in a little package. So I'm just going to decorate this sign to make it a little bit cuter. And then, of course, you know, the little rocks that you get from Dollar Tree. So now I'm just placing the little gems and gluing them onto the little XOX. And if you don't put enough glue, those little glass pieces will fall off. So make sure you put enough glue, because I didn't on some of them. I was trying not to put too much glue, and then I realized that they would fall off. So make sure, I mean, you don't have to saturate it, but you know, you have to put enough where it would hold. And this is a simple one too. It's nothing really hard because you already have the XOXO cut out, and you're just basically just gluing them onto your painted XOXO, and it just makes it a little more festive and cute for whoever you want to give it to. And there it is. I love the way this one turned out too. I like the little felt arrows and the little felt LOVE. I think this turned out great. Makes a nice little gift. So here are my 3 DIYs. I hope you enjoyed them, and I hope you'll check me out on the next video. If you like this, please hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. And I hope you're having a blessed day, and that you're kind to yourself and to each other.